I was just chilling on my laptop scrolling through YouTube recommendations when I stumbled on this video of someone building their very first PC. And that got me thinking, what would it be like to build my own? So I wasted no time and headed to my local tech website, ready to take whatever I need. But honestly, I was lost. There were so many parts and I had no idea what I actually needed. But with the help from the internet and AI, I finally figured out the parts that were necessary for my build. And just like that, I was ready to experience my first PC build. Guys! It's here. Alright, that should be good. Oh, I gotta blur that out, guys. I'm so sorry. And you know, I should be a butcher, guys. I should be called Butcher the YouTuber.
Nope.
Oh my goodness, this thing is so dull. Oh my goodness. I hope I didn't break anything, you know, dude. Okay. Oh, but guys, look at this.
Oh, brother, this guy's...
Hold on. Oh, the PSU, guys, look. yo, DDR5. And we can't forget the CPU good. Yo, it's like, oh. The freak? Already open. And the finale. Oh. Let's get building. Hold on. I can't forget this. I cannot forget the PSU.
Huh?
Okay, I gotta be careful with this one. Oh no. Hold on, guys. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about... Yes! Guys, look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, we should always open the motherboard first, guys. Y'all see that? What is this? Y'all know what that is? I don't know. For my Wi-Fi. Everything is so it's open. Oh wait, I can just guys. Okay. Woo. That looks nice. Okay guys, I got a better view, but you guys won't be able to see my face, so oh, you guys want to see my face?
No.
Oh. My goodness. Yeah, you'll get a close up of that. Hold on. My voice might be too loud since I'm really close to my phone. Yep. Anytime now. Let's go. Oh. What is that? Is that cooler? Okay, that takes out. Oh, the cooler. Extra cooler. Guys, that looks clean. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that looks clean. Okay, so processor. It's a pretty cool sticker. I won't need that. Will not be needing that. Goodness, the glare. Yep, Intel Ultra, alright. And then we just open it like that. Oh, okay. I could be very delicate with this. Oh, come on. Can I just? Let me take this off. Put it. Oh, that's pretty neat. So I hope it's in the right way, please. Okay guys, I got the RAM. Oh, my dad's here. Say hi, Dad. Dad? Hello. Alright. Guys, I'm in the new era. There we go. Oh. G-Skill. Oh, that texture is insane. Wow. Okay. Gotta be very delicate with this one. Open. Oh, this one doesn't open. Okay. I don't want to use that. Okay. Woohoo! Alright, it should be aligned. Oh, freak. Woohoo! That looks clean, guys. That looks clean with the white, whatever. Please. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is lit, guys. Yeah, really don't need that right now. And ZXT, that's a pretty cool brand. Oh! That is lit. I've never seen this type of thing before. Oh, okay. So I got it, guys. I got it. Basically, you just have to... Is it this one? Okay, nope, that's wrong. This one? Guys, I don't know which one to pick. I'll just do this later, guys. Hold on. Okay, so I'll just go with my SSD right here. Let me open this. Like Oh, what's this? Wait, do I stick it on? Oh, okay. I think, yeah, I think I stick it on. Hold on, please don't break. It's really nice, guys. I just put it there. Right? Guys, this is very complicated for me. Holy. Just like that. I don't know why I was having some trouble, but nice. Okay, so do I just put it like that?
Okay, pause it right there. It was literally just me trying to put the CPU cooler into my motherboard. And the only time I realized that it couldn't fit is when the holes were being blocked by the motherboard box. So yeah, that was just a dumb move.
Can you guys see me? It's been so long since you guys see my face. Hold on. Oh, you guys couldn't even see me, man. What? Alright, it should be pretty much self-explanatory. Just put the motherboard in the case. That should be easy, guys. That should be definitely easy. There's no way I'm gonna mess this up. Look at this freaking thing. Wow. That is a lot. That is a lot of work, guys. Look. Oh crap. Oh, this is so much work. Being very careful with it. Okay. So just put it in there. And it's aligned. Just like that. How do I screw this in? Oh, it's right here. Hold on. I don't even know which one to put. Okay. Dear Cool, you actually gave me something very important. If I use like one of them, I did some research that it was gonna like break the motherboard or something. Deep Cool said the motherboard screws should have these bulge. I don't think that was the right word, but that was the only thing I was thinking of. So okay, that should be good. Oh my goodness, guys, the smell of new. You guys don't think I'm weird, right?
Yes.
What the frick is that? Oh, bro, I can't even screw it on. I gotta take off the fan. Okay, so they're all aligned. All aligned. That should be pretty good. Screw that on. I saw it online as well, is to screw it like, they say to screw it like that. Like an X. So I'll be doing that. There we go. Oh, wow, that thing, wow. Oh, freak. Yep. Yep. Ugh. Oh, I got some screws in a big ass plastic bag. That's nice. Woo-hoo. There we go. What was that? Oh, guys, come on. Can't forget about that. No. Definitely goes like that. Oh my goodness. Let's take that off. And slide off. Alright. Holy moly. Okay, you know what, guys? I'll have to do this off camera. Okay, I'm finished with the cable management.
Release me! Release me!
It took me about 30 minutes, probably more, because I needed to research some stuff on where to put it, on where to go, and I had to take on the manual and stuff. So I guess this is enough.
No.
The only thing I really need is the power supply. So let's just put this back. Wait, did I say power supply? I meant to say GPU. this? How the frick do I open this? I got it open, finally. Oh! That looks clean. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Guys, this is insane. Oh, this just okay. Open it. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness, that was a bad idea. So let's line it up like that. I didn't even take it off yet. You guys know this thing, the brackets? Yeah, I didn't even take it off yet, man. Bro, how hard is this to take off? My goodness, bro. Look at this, bro. So hard to take it off. I'm legit sweating right now. Just wiggle that. Just wiggle that. Oh, look how sweaty I am. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up, but looks like I'm really oily, bro. Okay. Let's just snap it on. And I'll just take this two extra from forgot what it. I'm not panicking. I'm not panicking, guys. Freaking found it. It was in my motherboard rolling around. I just really hope the motherboard ain't broken. Okay, that is nice and secure. I'm finally finished with the freaking build. Problem is all these stuff. I'll quickly just clean these up and then I'm gonna turn this on. So see you in a bit. Okay. Moment of truth. Hello? Oh my goodness, guys. Okay. Moment of truth. Yo! 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 Oh wait, it's not displaying. Hold on. Why is it not displaying? Okay guys, I am back. I did do some research and I was told that it was the GPU and it wasn't seated properly. So it should work now. Got my stuff in there and boom. Right. Whoop. Okay, here's that yellow thing. Oh, yes! Let's freaking go, man! Let's freaking go! Guys, I'm back and then look. This is, bro, look, it freaking works. Hello? Oh my goodness, guys, I need internet. Oh my gosh, bro. Okay guys, I am back from downloading the drivers from the motherboard, and as you can see, it does work. I am connected to the internet, but unfortunately I cannot play any games to test this out since look at the time. If we look outside, yeah, it's completely dark outside. Well, almost completely. Earlier it was just sunny, like really sunny. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this or more content in the future. Sorry I can't test this PC out since I really need to get this uploaded as soon as possible, and I'll be eating now, so Gray out.